Go on.
Goodbye.
Good, good. So this should also build your confidence to know that actually my boat can go over so far before I need to start doing anything with it. Yeah, I was going to say, so at the moment you're going down and anticipating yourself going in, whereas just edge the boat and keep the blade above the water as long as you can, and then it's that last ditch attempt. Good. Remember to rev your paddle, because you might need to do it again. Your first high brace might not get you up fully. Yeah, so down and then up. Big push down and then up. You'll see in the video, but it was good. Yeah. Up, bring that paddle up. So with that one, when you brought your paddle up, the whole thing went up. What I meant was bring it level with the water. So that one down, that's it. So as you were going down, the blade was going with your body, but the blade should stay there, like that. And just bring it in a little bit so your elbows are down. Now your right hand should be facing down more. Push it down towards the boat. That's it. That's it. Yeah. So as you're going down, you're doing this, whereas the paddle should be level. So that should be touching there. Yeah. Good. So you're edging really far there, Caspar. The only thing that's happening is, as you're pushing, this side of the blade is coming up, and rather than getting a flat push, you're getting a diagonal push. So you're not using as much force as you could be. Yeah. So, you know, you can see here, the amount of push, the amount of energy I can push into the water is, you should be able to feel it. Ready? So So with that, you're trying to push down rather than over. So that needs to go far down as you can, and that's going to go underneath. Ready? Kind of. So, further over. Ready? Go upside down and push that there. And we'll see if you turn over and punch. Ready? Set up. Much better. You really need to push as far down over you can, otherwise it's not going to come out of the water. So that you should really be pushing over as far as you can, and if we're upside down now, that would be out in the air. So hold that there, ready? Good, good.